Hey guys, do you want to know how I achieved this delicious vegetable soup with little ingredients? Stay to the end of this video and like for more content like this. We have already washed meat, cow skin, peppers, maggi, that's our seasoning, pando yam. Now let's start with boiling the meat. Now I already washed my cow skin, so it's washed and ready for cooking. We have this pepper, atarodo. So I have my onion, so I'll be blending the pepper and the atarodo to get the onion and the atarodo together. Sorry. Now I put my pomo in my already boiled meat. I put it inside so it will become softer because this pomo were very hard. Now I grinded my pepper in the blender. Now I extracted my meat and pomo from the stock because I'll be using the stock later for the soup. Now put your pot on fire and put your palm oil. The palm oil is getting hot, so I had to add my pepper in it and stir, and I'll leave it a little bit to fry. Now guys, at this point I was like, Toyin, I forgot something. I wanted to put the meat and pomo first to fry it before adding the stew, but no problem, we move. Now I added my pomo and meat. Oh my god, see how it's looking already. At this point I added my seasoning and the vegetable. I used ugu leaf. Oh my goodness. Now it's giving the whole room is smelling nice. Oh my god. Rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. It's giving rich. It's giving rich and luxury soup. Now for the pando yam, I'm gonna put my pot on fire. I've turned it off camera, so I just want to turn it very well. Now at this point, my brother actually told me that I made a mistake. Like, we don't turn pando yam the normal way we turn amala. And I was like, I don't know. Let me finish this one next time. We are going to do that one. Now see how the pando yam is looking. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye.